happy Friday.
Hello.
I would say hiking, but we're not hiking today.
Nana.
What are we doing?
Camping.
We're finally back here in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest for some overlanding and a night of camping.
Yep.
It is spooky season.
Autumn.
And we are
Beautiful
so excited to go back to the creepy Sasquatch Mountain. We were exploring camping a couple of months ago, and we went up this mountain and got the weirdest vibes from it. And
heard some weird stuff.
Yeah.
It was quite spooky.
So what better place to film a spooky camping video than spooky,
We're
what
gonna
we
go
call
back there.
Sasquatch Mountain.
We're going to go back there. We are all loaded up, ready for, who knows, but we're ready for it.
We did a quick stop here at the Lower Lewis River Falls, so check that out, and we are going to get out of here and head up to our camp spot, so we'll see you in a little bit.
Oh, I got Frank. We got Frank too.
Frank, take.
The chips exploded.
The chips exploded.
Oh, brr. We have made it to the end of
Sasquatch Mountain.
Spooky Mountain, and we're just trying to figure out where we want to camp. There's a couple places down below, just like a quarter mile, half mile. That way we might go check out more, because this
is not level. Doesn't make for a good sleeping arrangement.
Yeah, I don't think we can check off the camping list if we're camping on asphalt too. Is there a rule book? Comment down below. Is there a camping?
It would be okay
camping
if
overlanding rule book. We need a ruling on this.
I rule that we would be city campers if we're camping on concrete.
Shoot, might as well be a fucking Walmart.
Hashtag van life.
Nice.
So we gotta get a drone of the mountain.
Yeah.
We got an epic view.
Mount Adams is like right there.
To camp.
Yep.
We did not end up camping at the concrete jungle down there. Instead, we
took a gamble and went up this small,
road,
little tiny road, and found a pretty nice spot with an incredible view over there. We'll show you in a second. let's get camp set up. Camp somewhat set up.
No, we got camp cleaned up.
Oh, very true.
So much garbage.
Got a new fire ring. This is just what I picked up just around this whole area here. Come on, people. Trying out our Jackery solar for the very first time.
It's just so
Not
handy
bad.
to have the Jackery to power our refrigerator and be powered
Hey.
by the sun at the same time.
Hey,
What?
we don't get paid to say that.
Oh, not yet.
But it is keeping our battery somewhat level. We were getting about 9-10 watts. Not bad. And we got the mountain out there. Clouds coming in, of course. Got some BS, got the tunes, got the kitchen somewhat set up. It's gonna be a good evening. We got about a 50% chance of rain at 7 o'clock tonight.
Whoa.
Oh my God. Here's my phone. Look how ginormous this mushroom is.
Alright, tonight we made some spooky cornbread in ghosty shapes. Heating it up. A little butter on top. We've got some dogs already grilled. We got our chili on this nice cold night. So we're gonna eat. And then we got some spooky stuff coming up. I shouldn't be pointing a knife at the camera, but
Wow. Alright, we got some Cerveza del Rio Mexican lager from Backwoods Brewing in Carson, Washington.
got some onions chopped up, got some cheese, some sour cream.
How is it?
So good.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So good. Welcome, my friend. Don't be scared. Come closer. It's okay. Tonight's the perfect night to be here. It's Friday the 13th. It's a new moon. Why don't you draw your manifestation for this next new moon? The cards are waiting for you. Draw whichever one you feel calls to you. What do we got here? dreaming. I'm ready to receive my dreams. Hopefully that gives you the message that you've been waiting for.
That was quite spooky. Did you see that out there on the road out there?
What was it?
Some lady put up like a table with candles and she was like dealing cards and she made me like pick a card.
What?
Yeah. It was weird.
Wow. Well,
it was
Friday. It was Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
So.
It was weird. Something about dreaming, so I don't know.
Interesting.
What am I going to dream about tonight?
I don't know. Friday the 13th, new moon, solar eclipse tomorrow. Woo! Some powerful energies out there tonight.
And it's raining.
And it's raining.
Yay, October camping. PNW. So we need to give you a little backstory of why we're up here and why we think this is a spooky mountain in the Gifford Pinchot National Forest.
And why we're spooky camping.
Yeah.
For spooky season.
Yep, why we chose this spot. We told you we'd be back if you watched the movie. Or not the movie, but the video a couple months ago.
We'll put the link in the description below, down.
Yep, exploring and camping in the Gifford Pinchot.
Yeah,
came out like
it was awesome. So we came up here whenever that was June-ish time frame. We were just trying to find some new camping spots, just exploring. We've always been up this road and we can never get to the end of it. The first time we came up, there was snow and a tree blocking the road.
Yep.
Second time we came up here, we got a little bit further. We got to the rock pit and we explored up there. Couldn't really get much further than that. Third time we came up here, this last time, again, road was blocked by snow, but then a tree was down. So we decided to get out at the snow.
We were right there.
Yeah, so we were right towards the end.
So we walked. We are so close to the end, so we're going to walk it and see if there's any camping spots.
Oh, we wouldn't have got much further. Look.
Oh, yeah. To the end of the road.
Always wanted us to get to the end of the road. So we get almost to the bottom. We're coming around this curve, and all of a sudden we hear this loud branch break sound. That was the only sound. And there, mind you, there is nobody else up
no
here.
Wind, no nothing.
We did not see one soul.
Just heard a twig snap. Nothing big. No biggie.
Heard this branch break, and then it was just dead silence. And it sounded like a big branch, too.
Yep.
So we walked to the end of the road, and the creep factor is just like up here. Like, it is pretty high. We're talking like 80 out of 100 at
Checked
this
out
point.
the beautiful views.
Yeah, checked out the views,
Yep.
checked out the campsite. Campsite's so-so, not really good. You guys saw it earlier.
Yep.
So I'm ahead of Brian, and I start walking up the hill, and where we heard the branch break, I got the worst chills I think I've ever gotten. And it went all the way up my whole entire body, and my head felt like it was compressing together with just like this like weird energy. I have no idea. I've only felt that one other time, and that's when we went to twice actually. We went to Willard, and I walked through the same area 2 different times and got the exact same feeling that I'm talking about. Felt like it was like almost a vortex, like if you've ever been to Sedona and like gone through the vortex, how you feel there.
Why were we in Willard?
Oh, Sasquatch sighting on the Cliff and Bobo show, so we went to go check it out. Oh, that was so freaking weird.
Squatchy AF up here. /wildlife. Big time.
And so, again, felt that feeling. We didn't see anything up there. Didn't see anything this time. But just like as soon as we got out of that area where we heard the branch break, like body went back to normal. So we go further down the road. We stop at this other area. About a mile down the road. Stop at another area and walk down the road.
Another road to check out. I got this little guy, just in case.
And again, I like get this like feeling of, I feel like we're being tracked, like we're being watched. Just that body chills, but it wasn't as significantly bad as it was when we were in the other area. I don't like it out here. And so we walked down to this like clearing area. There was definitely some fresh scat that probably looked like it was cat. It didn't look like it was bear, deer, elk, or anything like that.
I swear to God, there's something following us and tracking us.
We hightail it out of there, and Brian wanted to camp at this other area, and I was like, no, I ixnayed it. I did not want to be out here.
Grace is very grumpy. She's spooked out.
Mm-hmm.
Hungry, cold.
I'm majorly spooked out. There's like no people up here. With something out there.
So that we ended up camping at the Twin Falls campgrounds, right?
Yeah.
And it was very beautiful. It
Yeah.
was a little wet, but
Yep.
it was
Nice
it was
waterfall.
fun. So, all to say, we are here at this spot, which is
Came back
probably
up.
about a quarter of a mile from.
Yeah. Actually, we're higher.
Yeah,
than-
we're higher up than where that where the road ends, campsite at.
Yep.
So
Great. She creeped me out. Now I'm looking all around.
I know.
We need to
Like I feel like I hear stuff, but
We
it's
need to
my
crank the tunes.
pillow moving here.
Well, there's your creepy story of the night. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're alive. We're wet and cold. 40 degrees. It's a beautiful morning. We got breakfast coming up. Got coffee already. What are we having?
We're having ultimate breakfast sandwich. Yay!
Yay! How is it?
You want to know what I found when I was getting ready this morning?
What?
I found this like crazy light just in my bag, and it was lit up like this.
What?
And then remember how you said she made you do like a card pull?
Yeah.
I found the card and like the meaning book in my bag.
Whoa.
Okay, so I thought I would tell you the meaning of it. So it says, this card is a reminder to dream. Allow yourself to envision a life past the one you are living today. Dive into your imagination and challenge yourself to dream and dream bigger than before. We often become immersed in the details of life and forget to dream. Dreaming may seem silly, whimsical, or wishful, but it actually allows our energy to plan. It opens us up to infinite possibilities and tells our consciousness that our reality can change.
We are getting all packed up slowly. Everything's wet, so it takes twice as longer to pack up. So that is it.
What an awesome night of camping.
Yeah.
I would say this was a totally unexpected, one of the top overlanding spots that we found.
Yeah.
I mean, you cannot beat that view of Mount Adams.
Wow.
I think it's even better than
How many
Stackable.
pictures? Yeah.
To be honest.
Yeah, how many pictures did I take of that thing? Jeez.
I don't know, like 1 million.
Sorry.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed this spooky camping adventure and laughed at our little spooky.
We love Halloween.
Yeah.
We love October.
It's our favorite time of year, so we just had to do something a little extra special.
Yep.
But we are all
packed up,
dirty,
wet.
So we are going to head home, clean up all of our gear, and prepare for our next adventure.
Yes.
So
Let's go.
Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
And happy Halloween.